So today I have Xiaomi Mi A3 and I have already flashed the converted MIUI ROM on Mi A3 after taking the update of Android 11. So today I will show how to update the converted MIUI ROM from any converted MIUI version to the latest release of converted MIUI version 12.5.5. Now here are two things that I would like to mention, and that are: number one, those Mi A3 users who are using stock Android 1. Somehow they want to use MIUI ROM on Mi A3 after taking the update of Android 11. I will leave the link of tutorial video in my video description. You can watch that tutorial video how to flash the converted first MIUI ROM on Mi A3, and then you can simply update the MIUI converted ROM from any converted MIUI version to the latest release of MIUI converted ROM 12.5.5. And second thing is, today's video is about how to update the MIUI converted ROM. Those users who already have the converted ROM flashed on Mi A3, either the 12.0.3, 12.0.4, 12.0.6 or 12.5.2, or any weekly China converted ROM. So those users must be having custom recovery flash on Mi A3, because like for example, my Mi A3 is on 12.5.2. So I'm already having the custom recovery by Bitnet on the Mi A3, because the converted MIUI ROM comes with a custom recovery which automatically flash after flashing the MIUI ROM. So today I will show how to update the MIUI converted ROM to the latest release by the Bitnet to 12.5.5. So those Mi A3 users who already having a MIUI converted ROM, you can watch that video, follow the steps, and you can update your MIUI converted ROM from any version to the latest release of 12.5.5. I hope you got my point. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. This is Aurangzeb, and you are watching Tech Infomania. So currently my Mi A3 is having a converted ROM of MIUI 12.5.2, and recently latest update release, that is MIUI 12.5.5, the converted ROM from Bitnet. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and click or tap the YouTube bell icon, select all. Thank you for doing that. The ROM link is provided in my video description, that the latest ROM of 12.5.5, the converted ROM by Bitnet. I will go to my storage to show you that I already downloaded the ROM. This is the ROM, link provided in video description. You don't have to take a help from computer. Just click the link on your mobile and download this ROM on your mobile phone storage. First of all, and the most important thing that you need to do is to save the internal storage data. I can't guarantee that the data will be remain there or not. Maybe after flashing or after updating, set may requires formatting data, so the data will get formatted. So better to save the data must, and check the battery should be charged around minimum 50%. Then go to settings and go to password and security. If you have turned on the lock screen password, then turn it off. Then go to Mi account. In case if you are using Mi account, sync it once, then remove it. Same way, go to account sync your Google account once and remove it. Starting the procedure, press and power the button key, then tab reboot, and then press and hold the volume up key just for a few seconds. The custom recovery screen will appear. Now you can release the key, just wait for the custom recovery. So we got the custom recovery main screen on mobile phone. Tap on wipe first, then tap on advanced wipe, select Dalvik partition, then data, and do not select internal storage. Third, cache and system. These four partition need to be select for clean updating or for clean flashing, then swipe. When it is done, then tap back and come back to the main screen. tap install, scroll down and tap on download. The ROM file must be in download folder if you have downloaded the ROM on your mobile phone. Tap on it to select the ROM file and then swipe. The flashing will start it. It will take around 2 or 3 minutes. So wait for the flashing to be complete, then we will continue. When flashing got completed, just simply tap on the reboot system. The mobile phone will get reboot and soon will start booting into MIUI converted ROM 12.5.5. The first boot will take around 2 or 3 minutes. So wait for it. Finally, the MIUI 12.5 welcome screen appears and the ROM got booted. Complete the setup screen now. So finally, the updating procedure or flashing the MIUI 12.5.5 converted ROM on Mi A3 went very well. We got the latest release converted ROM of MIUI 12.5.5 on Mi A3. ROM is very good, lag free, bugs free, working absolutely perfect on Mi A3. I would say better than 12.5.2. Also, with the security status is updated, you can check it and you will find the device will be certified if you go to Play Store and check the device. Thank you for watching the video. If you got helped by this video, do not forget to like the video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for doing that. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.